What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jack. So we're going to jump into BitTorrent. I've had a bit of a pump today. It's moving with Bitcoin, as many of the coins do. So we're going to go over their Twitter, a couple of funny little announcements on their Twitter page, as well as the technical analysis for BitTorrent. I'm just going to drink some water real quick. So on the 1 day, we're up 10%. I'm going to show you it with Bitcoin as well, as Bitcoin has been moving upwards. And then on the 7 day, we're up 12%, sitting at that $5.10 billion market cap and a 24-hour volume of 2.83 billion. So let's head over. Oh my God, why is my mic way over here? You guys probably can't. Like, what is Jax doing? Let's head over to the Twitter, guys. So when you sell the dip and it goes up immediately, that little pangu. I used to watch that when I was a kid. And then we have they're releasing some funny little GIFs here. And if we scroll down, we can see right here. So BTT ranked as top 3 trending tokens in Asia on CoinMarketCap. So below are the top 5 trending tokens in Asia over the past 7 days. You can see BTT right here. And then we also have Wink. So that's great to see that over in Asia, they're loving BitTorrent and they're loving Wink. That's awesome. All right, guys. So we have some more funny posts here. And then they have their BitTorrent weekly report. So if you want to look into that, just pop on over to their Twitter. All right, guys. So let's jump straight into the technical analysis. So first we're going to look at BitTorrent, and I'm going to go back and forth with Bitcoin. So something that is really good to see is we have a bullish cross of the 20 EMA, this yellow line here, over the 50, the blue line, because we haven't had a bullish cross for quite a while, not since about April 17th. So that's great to see, and we've had a nice little pump here, and now we're starting to see some consolidation right here on the Fibonacci, our key level of resistance. You can see right here resistance. You can see in this area big level of resistance and support, and currently we're hitting it as resistance here at about 0.007. So I want to show you guys Bitcoin, because it literally moves with Bitcoin. So we can see here, same thing, Bitcoin, little bit of a pump over the last day, and now it's consolidating. We look at BitTorrent, we have that nice little pump, and now it's consolidating, and it dips with the same. We had a dip on the 3rd and the 4th, and for BitTorrent, we had a dip on the 3rd and the 4th. So that's what I'm saying. The master energy, Bitcoin, is so important, and Ethereum, depending on the coin. Like Polygon, it's Ethereum, and then coins like BTT, XRP, Wink, Cardano, it's Bitcoin, right? So it's beautiful to see that bullish cross. And if we look at Bitcoin if we look at BTT on the 1 day, we can see here that the 20 EMA is underneath the candle, and the 50 and the 20, the space between them is getting closer, which is what you want to see. Like right here, this is healthy, but when the space starts to become too wide, that's the sign that there's going to be a correction, right, guys? So it's beautiful to see that. And then let's look at BitTorrent on the 1 week. Yeah, so we can see here on the 1 week, the 20 EMA is still kind of creeping up. That's why I think there could definitely be further correction for BitTorrent, and let the 20 EMA catch up on the weekly. So we'll quickly pop it over to the 1 hour chart. So you can see your little flag pattern, your little or your little bull pendant here is starting to form, right? You can see it here as well. This was quite a long one, and then we saw that little bit of breakout. Now we're nicely resting on the 20 and the 50 EMA on the 1 hour. So we'll see if we continue to trend, depending on Bitcoin, of course. We could either break upwards or we could break downwards. So there's the little trades that you can make in here. Like you can trade breakouts and stuff like that if you're a day trader. But I know most of my, like that's a 10% trade right there. So most of my followers are either holding till the end of the bull run, or they're holding long term. So that's why I don't really go over day trades. But depending on if we break upwards or downwards, and you can see, like, if we were to break upwards here, we would start trending towards that next target at yeah, right here. Our next target is right here. Our next target at 0.0088, right? So depending on Bitcoin, right? The Bitcoin's the master energy and it's the most important thing. So I'm just kind of giving you a bit of a daily update to show you what's going on with the chart right now. So we'll pop back over to Bitcoin here. So if Bitcoin were to trend upwards and we didn't go through that ABC correction that I'm talking about, and we continue to trend upwards, well, what's going to happen is BTC is going to trend, or BTT, BitTorrent is going to trend upwards. Wink, Cardano, XRP, like most of the market will start trending back upwards. That's why you shouldn't be too worried about these corrections. You have to kind of look at the master energies, look at Bitcoin, see what's happening with Bitcoin, because that's what's influencing your price. It's not necessarily the news. It's not necessarily, you know, what's coming out for BitTorrent. It's more what's happening with Bitcoin, the master energy, that dictates where the price goes. So if we do see that ABC correction, as I've been talking about, BitTorrent can come all the way back down to 0.002 and make that kind of double bottom before we see that next. Let's kind of zoom out on the 1 day. Before we basically see that next pump, right? Where you have pump, you have correction, and then you have pump, taking you kind of to your next price targets up here at 0.019. So, you know, we're still correcting, and as long as BTC corrects, all the rest of the market corrects too, as I've been saying. So we'll keep an eye on BTC. I'll keep updating you guys with Bitcoin in my videos, like in my price prediction videos, because that is the most important thing. And we're holding the 20 beautifully here, but we do have that double top. So if we start to roll over, well, the market rolls over too, right? But everyone wants to see that buying action that takes us to break this high, and that would be confirmation that we're going to continue to trend upwards on this bull run. So just a quick one for BTT. Not to worry, you know, big things are to come. We've got the price targets at 0.019 to smash out, and then about 0.028. So it's just long, you know, like the corrective waves are long, especially this one. And it's like, come on, man. You want to get back on the horse and start, you know, going for a ride. Yeehaw. Such a bad analogy, but whatever. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button. It goes a long way. If you hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Check out the Discord, over 1,000 members. Patreon link in the bio. Hope that you are well. Hope your family is happy. Hope everything is okay. And if it's not, then I pray that it will be soon. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Much love.